So the Seedance 2 is finally here, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. Yes, you hear that right, you can actually get early access to Seedance 2 before officially worldwide launch. And no, this is not any fake model cheap variant floating around on the internet. This is the real Seedance 2, and everything you are seeing on your screen right now was generated using this model. I have been using it for a while, and it's unlike everything I have ever seen before. So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can get access so you can start making amazing videos like these. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. Here's the link I have provided into the video description into your Chrome browser. Okay, so this is the website I was talking about. They have officially partnered with the Binance, and the Seedance 2 model is already on their platform, which means you can start using it right now. Its interface is so user-friendly, and without any complexity, you can generate video, and there are two simple features you can see. One is reference generation and the other is text to video. Reference generation means you can upload your desired picture or video and generate a new video with just a single prompt. So firstly, I'm going to text the text to video feature. Here you can paste the prompt, and here you don't need to overly explain your prompt. Now scroll down a little and click on this drop down. Here you can see two options. Seedance 2 Fast and the other one is Seedance Pro. I'm going to create with Seedance Pro. You can also go with Seedance Fast. Then choose the aspect ratio. There is a generate button, and you can see some numbers written on this button. When you decrease or increase the video length, these numbers will change as they represent the number of credits. For example, a 5 seconds video will use 75 credits. The Pro feature uses more credits than the Fast feature. Now click on the generate button. There you go. It has started creating your video. It will take 30 seconds and it's done. Oh, the results are so impressive. It is nothing less than a Hollywood movie scene, and the background sound is also amazing. Our main topic is obviously Seedance 2. But on this website, you will find other tools like Seedance AI, Seedance 2, Seedance 1.5 Pro, and so on. So let's get back to our main topic, Seedance 2. It truly sets a new gold standard for AI generation, delivering visuals that look like they were pulled straight from the high-budget film. The tool's ability to blend the high-fidelity audio with stunning imagery makes it an absolutely powerhouse for creators. It's incredibly impressive how Seedance 2 balances sophisticated professional features with such a clean, intuitive interface. Anyway, let's make our next video. Here you can see I have just entered the prompt and left the same settings I had set for the previous video. Before hitting the generate button, I am pretty sure that the results will amaze you, as the AI's attention to detail is truly next level. So there is a download button where you can simply download your video. As I was telling you, they are perfect. You can see the sound is spot on and the car racing scene is amazing. It's incredible how Seedance 2 captures such a realistic lighting and motion, making every scene look like a professional masterpiece. Now I'm going to make another video, but this time I'll upload an image to generate a video exactly how I want. I have uploaded the picture and given a simple prompt because Seedance 2 is very smart and you don't need to overly explain anything. The settings will stay the same. The results are honestly amazing. The way this tool turns a simple photo into a moving scene is like a magic. It keeps every detail sharp and the movement looks very natural. It's definitely one of the best AI tools for anyone who wants to create professional videos. The atmosphere is so natural, the sunlight coming through the clouds and the thunderstorm looks just like a movie scene. The character from the image is also perfectly refined. I have another video that I made from the same image which shows you can create consistent character videos with this tool and get the awesome results. Seedance 2 is truly amazing because it gives the characters look the same across different videos, which is very hard to do. The quality is so high that every video you make looks like a professional blockbuster scene. So for the next video, I have uploaded 2 images. Here you can upload any audio file for the desired background sound. Anyway, give your prompt. As I told you, I have uploaded 2 images. So in the prompt, we need to mention both images clearly. Set the settings and hit the generate button. So you can see how perfectly it made this video, how smoothly the cars turns into robots. The fighting scene between them is so perfect. The background sound will definitely leave you speechless. Seedance 2 is truly a game changer because it handles complex transformation with such ease. The way it blends 2 different images into one seamless action sequence is absolutely mind-blowing and looks incredibly realistic. Now I'm going to show you the power of the prompt. You don't need to overly explain everything, but your choice of words really matters. In this first prompt, you can see how I explained the scene in too much detail to get a World War style fight between these 2 jets and but look at what I got instead. Let me show you. As you can see, the results are quite disappointing. If you get the results like this, it's not the tool's fault, it's about your prompt. For the best results, you need to clearly define what is actually on your mind. Now, let me show you. I'm going to recreate the video using the same images but with the different prompt. You can see the clear difference between the previous prompt and the new one. The second prompt is much shorter than the first, but the results are absolutely better and much more professional. Seedance 2 is so intelligent that it understands the simple, direct instructions better than the long, confusing ones. It's truly a top-tier tool because it gives you exactly you are looking for once you use the right wording. Seedance 2 is truly a must-have for anyone looking to take their content for the next level with professional AI visuals. It makes high-quality videos creation so simple and accessible. It's totally game changer for the creative community. I highly recommend this tool for all creators. Just go and grab the link I have provided in the video description. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.